Hi guys, today let's learn something simple. Tiger nut pudding. In Ghana we call it Atadwe milk. Yes, it's very simple, nutritious and delicious. So as you can see, this is sugar. What I poured into the saucepan is sugar. So I'm going to use it to prepare my caramel. Yeah, so I will make sure I stir it till it becomes brown. Sugar. You keep stirring it till it becomes brown. So at this point, I'm going to add little water to it. You can see this is the brown color that we are looking for. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wash my tiger nuts, that is Atadwe, and put it in my blender. So with Atadwe, you have to soak it overnight. The same as the rice. You have to soak everything overnight to make the blending very easier. Specific rice or special rice. So I'm going to add water. So with the help of a clean cloth, sieve your blended rice and tiger nuts into a saucepan, bit by bit. So you hold it like this and you squeeze the juice out of it. So after squeezing the juice, you have to put it on fire and stir it till it becomes thick. So I'm going to add a pinch of salt, very small pinch. Set it to the mixture. Okay, so someone will ask, why did you add rice to it? So I added the rice to enable it to become thicker within a short period of time. Without the rice, it will take a longer period before it becomes thick. So as you can see, it has become very thick. this point you can choose to add extra sugar to it. Yes. Now I'm going to add some few drops of vanilla extract, which is optional. Yeah, this is vanilla. You can use coconut extract to it. So before you add the caramel to it, if you are feeding it to a child, you have at this point you can scoop some and give it to the child even before you add a caramel. Okay, I'm not saying the caramel isn't good for kids, it's good, but for babies you don't have to add the caramel to it before you give it to them. So the caramel will give it that brownish color. To make sure you stir everything together gently till you get a uniform mixture.